Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can edit or customize checkout page in your WooCommerce website. So you can use this plugin ShopLentor to edit WooCommerce pages. Make sure that you have installed this plugin. You can go to plugin sections and you can easily upload the plugin file from here. So now let me go here and click on add plugin. Then you can upload the plugin file from here. So now let me select the plugin file, this one, and click on open, then install it. So after installing and activating this plugin, you can go back to the template builder, and now here you can see these are the different WooCommerce pages that you can easily build template for any page. Let's go and click on add new template. Let me add title checkout. Then here let me select checkout page. Then you can select the editor or page builder, and you can also set as default. Then click on save settings, and now you can click on edit with Elementor page builder. And now on this page let's add a new section. So if you want to add anything on the top, you can easily add that. So let me go and click to add heading. For example, let me add some text, brand store, and then let me add some gap, and then align it in center. Now let's add some background color. So after that, now let me add another section. So here you can add checkout billing form, coupon, this one, and now let's add another section. So let's go and search for checkout payment method. So these are all the fields that you can add, and you can check. After that, click on publish button. So make sure that you have enabled at least one payment method in your WooCommerce website. So let's go in WooCommerce website settings. So under the WooCommerce, go to settings, then click on payments, enable payment method. Now let's go back and check if it works fine. Let me scroll down and click on checkout page. So here you can see we have one section at the top, and here you can add coupon if you have. Then here you can add billing details, then scroll down. So under this we have payment method. So in this way you can customize and add anything on checkout page in WordPress e-commerce website.